Zembora Gun 140. Set. Away, Zembora Gun was in the back half of the field at the jump. Mr. Preston left well off the inside, neat and tidy, not far away. Quizzy Cool got dragged down. Oh, there was carnage in the field. Mr. Preston's left a mile in front. Fantastic Four's gone to second. Quizzy Cool is third. And Two Step Magic in fourth. But around the bend, Mr. Preston left in front. A long way out from home. And Mr. Preston will lead from Fantastic Four. Quizzy Cool's run third. Fourth was Two Step Magic. Then followed by Zembora Gun. It was in the trouble. Likewise, Burj Khalifa. And neat and tidy. And at the tail end of the field was Mr. Mackenzie in a real forgettable last event. 23.03, one went down, they all tumbled down around it. 4 dogs pretty much put out of play. 5-2-3 are the numbers, 5-2-3-9. Mr. Preston wins the last, win 3 at start 4, defeating 2 Fantastic Four, 3 Quizzy Cool, and 9 Two Step Magic. Then followed 8 Zembora Gun and 4 Burj Khalifa, both flattened early on. 23.03 is the gallop, 23.03 the race time. Winner, Mr. Preston for John Callaghan, a son of Dinah Lachlan. Splits of 6.56, 16.22, a run home of 6.81, and 23.03 was the overall time. Margins are 1 3/4 by 4 1/4, 1 3/4 by 4 1/4.